So to fast forward on you here, what we got going on here, the tailgate, is the old plastic bed liner that was on the tailgate stuck up about 1.5 inches or so. It was pretty darn thick because of the grab bar, and it was kind of chewed up over the years, had some sharp nicks on it and things like that. It was hard on your knees getting in and out of the truck. And what we found is that when we put the curbsider lift in here, that when the tailgate went shut, it would hit it based on where the tailgater or the curbsider needs to sit here in the truck. It needs to sit right at the very edge of the bed, so it has room to swing all the way outside the truck like it needs to. And so we wanted to take care of this, so we had to get rid of the plastic bed liner. And what we found in removing the bed liner is that Ford does not put the tailgate access panel in with the step because they put a bed liner on it from factory. So, and some of you guys might run into this if you're doing a spray-in bed liner in your truck, that you go to remove the plastic one, you find out you don't have anything back here to spray. So this is a perfect time to, we're going to do what they call a grab pull delete, which is the grab pull here that comes up here to pull yourself up on the step. I don't necessarily care for it. It sits, it's the way it sits on the tailgate. Get that to go down. The way it sits on the tailgate, it sits up, and even when it had the liner that kind of went around it, everything you went to load, like I'd go load the Blackstone or whatever, the legs were always catching it and grabbing it. You couldn't really use your tailgate as a work surface, or if I just wanted to pop the camp stove up on the tailgate of the truck to make a quick meal while we're camping or road tripping or whatnot. And so I always kind of wish that the tailgate was just flat. So we're going to take care of that today with what they call a grab bar delete. We're going to remove the grab bar. It doesn't have to have the grab bar for the step mechanism. They are two separate things. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get started on that today. So we got Torx heads here that we got to take out to remove our handle. Okay, so just like that, this just lifts right up out of there. This is our grab bar, or stripper pole as I like to call it, and she's going bye-bye. We'll put it on Facebook Marketplace. Maybe somebody has a need for it. Okay, so now we go ahead and we can remove all these old bolts from the bed liner I just had laying in here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and lay our panel in right here. And you can see this fits right in here. Now I did see panels, like I said, these were pretty pricey online. Sometimes they were listed for up to $320. I only paid 42 bucks for this. It's factory part number. I don't know why it was so much cheaper than everything else. I don't know if everyone else just price gouges because guys want to remove this pole or not. But it fits right in. Some of them I saw listed only that they fit 99 to 2007 trucks. This one said it fit 99 to 2016. My truck's a 2010 and it does fit it just fine. So hopefully if you can find one off of a tailgate that's used that don't have it, but usually guys don't want to part with them. So, and then for the bolts, like I said, the Ford bolts were with the Torx heads were ungodly priced. So I was just trying to find any bolt I could find that was the right thread, whether I found them locally or online or however. But I did find out, it took a little bit of digging, but these bolts that came out of it are a M6-1 19 millimeter long, and these are a M6-1 25 or 26, but for length. But they are the right thread, and they thread right in. These are GM body bolts, so no giving me a hard time about putting a GM bolt on my Ford, because I know somebody out there will. And as always, don't tighten up your bolts till you got them all started. So to get this taken care of, and it makes it a lot nicer, and it makes the tailgate flat, makes it a nice works for surface. You can pull the Blackstone out here for a quick cook, or the little propane cook stove or whatever if we're doing a day trip. Just need somewhere to pop open a little spot to have a little work surface to do that sort of thing. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep this up, and when we do this spray on bed liner on the topper, and that I'll go ahead and prep this up and do the spray on bed liner on this as well, and it'll give it a little bit of protection, and clean up some where the scratches are on the old tailgate as it is, and just make it look a little bit better, make it look a little more durable. So you'll find links to all the stuff in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you. Until next time, guys, we'll catch you on the road. Bye.